here that we have fire again. So nawala na yung element of fire since 2018. So kung we look back all the way 2018, pansin nyo, hindi na masyadong masaya yung mga Christmas events natin. Tapos suddenly, pagbalik na natin ng 2024, 2025, and na, everyone's putting up decorations na naman. Okay. Pero here, 2025 looks more like a breath of fresh air, yung inspiring yung outlook po niya. So we can imagine there is a painter that goes out, sabi niya na, oh, I want to paint this beautiful scenery, pero sa sobrang pagka-impulsive niya, he did not check his surroundings. So the yin wood can represent a branch. So it din po, it also represents yung mga hidden dangers in becoming too complacent, especially this year of yung 2025 natin. Okay? So when we talk about 2025, in all honesty, this is a year that can be filled with mga scams with the face, especially sa mga misleading media. So this is also powered by yung future technologies natin, especially with AI. It's much more difficult to see what is true or not. Okay. So ito nga po, just in case you're wondering, basta po so kami lang po yung credible source dito po sa Pilipinas kasi kami lang po accredited. Okay. So, ito nga po, we talk about yung mga elements that will also affect health when we talk about this 2025 nga po. So, when we talk about yin wood, wood represents yung mga bone structures po natin. So, especially yung backbones, yung mga limbs na po natin, and it can also represent the liver and our teeth. Okay. So, once we talk about yung snake itself, the snake, we have to be watchful for the face, the teeth, inflammation, blood, and yung lungs. Okay. And more importantly, sa lahat ng taon, kulang po ang water. So this year, okay, much like yung slide ko kanina, we have wood, tapos si snake is fire. Inside the snake, we have fire, earth, and metal. So kulang lang si water. Water in the body is now the immune system. So already we know 2025 can be a period wherein mas malakas na po ang infectious diseases. Okay. So there's a lot of trivia coming up here. So there is also a special combination in tawag namin na fire therapy, which hurts the heart, the blood, and circulation. So that's mga illnesses for the year. So we also have to understand that the snake, being the animal that tunnels underground, it can mean also seismic activity. So seismic activity under the ground, and also it is a fire animal. Fire under the earth is volcanoes. So very interesting thing. Okay. Mamaya pakita ko na. Okay. So the snake also is an animal that likes to slither in long trails. So what we have long trails that is related to now, that is now yung mga train systems po natin, the roads. Okay. So especially within our very own beloved Baguio City, buwan pa lang ng January, papasok pa lang yung snake. Okay. We have already had upwards of more than 50 individual cases of car accidents because of this year of the snake pa lang, because of yung overconfidence din ng mga tao with the element of fire. So ito po, when we talk about this, we also talk about yung cases ng mga fires natin. Okay? So remember that in 2025, wala pa tayong element of water, so there is much less to control yung mga fires. We also talk about this in few minutes. So ito din po, there are more chances for water disasters, turbulent weather, and even yung mga air disasters throughout this year. So very briefly, we talk about those industries. Ano ba yung mga businesses that can make more money towards this year? So these are now the industries of metal and water. Mga challenging industries are now the industries of wood. And even more challenging will be fire and earth. We'll talk about this in your question and answer round. Wait, something that I loved when we were studying Feng Shui, we studied in Hong Kong, Singapore, and even in Japan. When we studied these things, there were these little tidbits na you'll pick up. Now,